Hello, my dear friends! Today we will cook a delicious omelette. People think that it's very hard, but it's not true. Today I will teach you how to cook this simple dish. So let's start. We need 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons milk, salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon oil. Egg, milk, salt, pepper in small bond until blended. Heat the oil in your frying pan until they start to foam and sizzle. It's very hot. The pan is hot. Pour in the mixture. Yeah! Mix the mixture. That. Alright. Continue cooking. The mixture is cooked. Turn off the stove. Move the dish to the plate. That's all. Bon appetit, my dear friends. Very delicious. Я такая молодец.